Welcome back again to my channel. I am Victoria, a local real estate professional here in North and South Carolina. So today we are located in South Charlotte. We are going to be touring 3510 Lacie, which is this beautiful home behind me here. And this home, guys, is currently listed on the market for sale. So if you are interested, feel free to reach out to us and we can schedule a tour for you to see this property. This property is a 5-bedroom home, 5.5 bath. And it's listed by Tanya Jennings with Keller Williams. Thank you for allowing us to take a tour of this property. Okay, let's check it out together. As we enter in the home, you are greeted by this spacious foyer area. And over here, we have our 2-story great room. One of my favorite features here being the accent wall here. It's perfect for a really big size TV or even a projector, whatever you may like. Another favorite feature is this island. This island is perfect for hosting gatherings or, cooking and spending quality time with your family. And we have our dining over here. Tucked away over here, we have our butler's pantry. And of course, we have the wine cooler. I really love the touch of the built-ins here on either side of this accent wall. And we have a flex room with pocket doors. And here we have our owner's bedroom. It's soundproof in here. You can see the sound quality has changed. We have this built-ins here. Knowing myself, I would probably use this for handbags, purses, shoes, jewelry. And we have our standard double vanity sinks. We have your soap tub. And of course, my personal favorite, the shower room. It's literally a room for showering. And we have another closet here. I love the choice of detailing and accents throughout this home here, this being one of it. Now keep in mind, this was that accent wall we saw on the other side. So the back end of it, it has different design to it, which I think is quite neat. This is our powder room. Remember, this home has 5.5, so this is the half bath here. Perfect for guests and entertaining. And remember, I talked about those built-in nooks. So here is another one on this other side of the wall here. And I love the fact that this home has lots of storage space and closets. And over here, we are, this door would lead you out to the garage. We'll check that out in a second. But this door, however, is your drop zone and downstairs laundry area. That's right. This home has 2 laundry areas, one downstairs and one upstairs. One downstairs for the owner's suite down here, and the other one upstairs for all the other bedrooms. And once again, another closet space as well. Okay, so we have our garage here. This is a very oversized 2-car garage. Dare I say, it could actually be a tandem garage as well. Okay, so at this point I will take you upstairs so we can finish the tour of this property. Something I do want to point out, and I'm sure you've probably already noticed, is how minimal there are carpets in this home. I don't think I've actually seen any carpet. That was something I really liked here on the stairs, the completely stained oak tread there. And let's go over here. When you walk over here, you have, I would call this almost a loft area. You have a bathroom right off of it, a loft or a bonus space, flex space, whatever you want to use it for. And then to our right here, we have another bedroom with its own bathroom. One of the key takeaways about this home, every bedroom has its own bathroom. So you never really have to share a bathroom with anyone. And I love the closet here too. And the bathrooms in this home, they're all different. They're all themed differently. So one bathroom is not the same as the other. We are back to the loft area. Once again, taking notes of the built-ins throughout the home here. More built-in closet spaces. That's another closet space, very, very spacious home. And this is another bedroom here with amazing spacious closet. And this was that bathroom we saw off of the loft area. So there's a door connecting this room to the bathroom, and also there's a door on the other side connecting the loft to the same bathroom. And one of my favorites, of course, being the accent wall here. I love that it comes all the way up. And also I love that this space here is exposed, and the chandelier, it's very prominent. It's beautiful, it's breathtaking. And this bedroom here, once again, has its own bathroom, a different style than what we've seen already, and very nice sized closet over there. There you have it, friends. Thank you so much for taking the time to tour this beautiful home with me. If you know anyone moving to the Charlotte area and you think this home would be a great fit, please feel free to share this video with them. We would definitely love to welcome more guests to the Charlotte area. If you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can get more notifications about homes such as these. Once again, I am Victoria, your local real estate professional here in North and South Carolina. We look forward to working with you.